Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new subject of your MBA curriculum, that is IT applications for management. So in this we are going to discuss what is information system and what is the need of information system to the business organizations. So here information systems are the subsystems of the business systems. Information systems are the subsystems of the business systems. What is the definition of this information system? Information system is a formal socio-technical organizational system designed to collect, process, store and distribute information. This is used to collect the information and process the information, store the information and distribute the information. How these business organizations will survive in the long run? To survive, the business organizations are dependent upon data. To survive in the long run, the business organizations are dependent upon the data. This data is collected from different sources. So when the data is collected from different sources, the data will be huge, heavy, much more. So from this data, we are processing the necessary data and converting this one into information. So here we came across two terminologies, which is data and which is information. We have a traditional definition for data, that is the collection of raw facts. That means the data which is in the purest form is called as data, the collection of raw facts. Information, the processed data is called as information. So that is nothing but, in an organization there will be huge amount of data. అంటే ఎక్కువ డేటా ఉంటుంది. సో ఫ్రమ్ దట్ హ్యూజ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా we cannot take any decisions regarding the organization. So when we want to take any decision, we need information, that means the processed data. So this information system uses the data, that is nothing but this information system collects the data, process the data, stores the data and distribute the data. Which data? The processed data, which is also called as the information. An information system is a formal socio-technical organizational system designed to collect the information from different sources, process the information which is necessary, store the information in the storage devices and distribute the information to the different participants. Information system is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing and processing data. This is used to collect the data, store the data and process the data and provide information for decision making. An information system is a integrated set of components for collecting the data, storing the data and processing the data, for providing information for decision making. So here the business firms depend on information system to carry out and manage their operations. So the business firms mostly depend on the information system to carry out their operations and interact with their customers and also the suppliers and compete in the marketplace. So an information system is an integrated set of components collecting, storing and processing data and for providing information for decision making. The business firms, most of the business firms will depend on the information system to manage their operations and interact with their customers, suppliers and also to compete in the marketplace. Information system is a group of connected components. Information system is a group of connected components. It consists of mainly 4 components, that is input, which is also called as input data, process data, output data and feedback. So these are the four main components. One is input data, process data, output data, and feedback data. When the data is collected from different sources, it is given to the information system as the input. The information system here, this is called as information system. The information system will process the data and give some output of the data, which is called as the information. This information is used to take the decisions. That means this is used to take the decisions. For whom sake? For the betterment of the organization. Next one. What is the need of information system? The need of information system mainly to make fast and accurate transaction processing. How it can make the fast and accurate transaction processing means information system always offers transaction processing system, the subsystem of information system. One of the information systems is transaction processing system. This transaction processing system handles day-to-day millions of transactions of an organization. It stores day-to-day activities of an organization. Like a journal, it will works. It stores day-to-day activity. So it provides fast and accurate transaction processing. The information system also provides storage. The information system also provides storage which is having large capacity, and it also provides fast accessing to the data. The information system also provides a storage with large capacity and fast access to the data. An information system is also used for fast communication. It provides immediate access to stored information for quick decision making. It provides immediate access to the stored information for taking the decisions very fastly. Information system also acts as competitive weapon, because organizations uses other companies' websites, other company helplines, other company information center and so to gain competitive advantage over its competitors. పక్క కంపెనీ వాడి దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి డీటెయిల్స్ మొత్తం కూడా గ్యాదర్ చేసుకొని ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ద్వారా తన కంపెనీలో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని ఈజీగా అమ్ముకోవచ్చు మనము. అంటే ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ? ఇట్ ప్రొవైడ్స్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ కంపెనీస్ to gain the competitive advantage over its competitors. Information system supports in decision making. It supports in decision making. It enables the managers, CEOs, low level managers to take decisions very easily. Reduction in information overload. It provides information from various sources, which is too much. Already we have discussed that the information or the data which is gathered from different sources will be very huge. So that will not be used by the managers to take the decisions, because it is in huge amount. So the managers need only information to take the right decision. So the information system provides the information which is very little to take the right decision. Like executive information system are the systems that cuts the irrelevant information. అవసరం లేని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పక్కకు పెట్టేసి and provides the necessary information to the managers. Which is not necessary is kept away, and which is necessary is given to the managers for taking effective and efficient decisions. Information system is having the cross-divisional abilities. The data in the information system can be easily shared among different departments in the organization. Information system లో ఉండే data మిగతా డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో ఈజీగా షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. This is for today's class. Thank you.